Welcome to Sky Cleaner Services, delivering advanced exterior cleaning solutions using cutting-edge drone technology. Headquartered in Djibouti City, Sky Cleaner Services is a leading company specializing in drone-based exterior cleaning solutions. Our mission is to transform the way buildings and infrastructure are maintained by combining innovation, safety, and efficiency. Designed for modern environments, our aerial cleaning technology eliminates the need for scaffolding, cranes, and high-risk manual operations. Traditional exterior cleaning methods often require complex setups, expensive equipment, and dangerous high-altitude work. Sky Cleaner Services replaces these risks with intelligent drone systems that deliver faster, safer, and more cost-effective cleaning solutions. Our advanced aerial technology ensures precision cleaning while reducing operational disruptions and environmental impact. Our drone-based window cleaning solutions are designed for high-rise buildings, hotels, residential towers, and government facilities. Using low-pressure precision cleaning technology, our drones remove dirt, dust, and environmental residue while delivering a streak-free professional finish. This approach ensures rapid deployment, eliminates suspended platforms, and significantly improves safety compliance. Buildings located near coastal areas, such as the Port of Djibouti, face constant exposure to salt, dust, and environmental deposits. Our drone-powered cleaning systems restore building facades, concrete walls, metal structures, and architectural surfaces. By removing corrosive buildup, we help protect structural integrity, extend building lifespan, and enhance the professional appearance of every facility. Sky Cleaner Services also provides high-efficiency cleaning solutions for corporate fleets, transport trucks, buses, port vehicles, and heavy industrial equipment. Our eco-friendly cleaning systems ensure faster turnaround times while minimizing water usage and operational downtime. Renewable energy infrastructure requires regular maintenance to maintain peak performance. Our drone technology provides precision cleaning for wind turbine towers and blades, removing dust, salt, and environmental residue. We also offer specialized solar panel cleaning services that improve energy output by removing sand and dust buildup, ensuring maximum efficiency for solar installations. Sky Cleaner Services operates at the intersection of technology, safety, and environmental responsibility. Our certified operators use advanced drone systems to deliver scalable cleaning solutions tailored to Djibouti's climate conditions. By reducing human risk and improving operational efficiency, we provide unmatched value to our clients. Safety and environmental responsibility are at the core of everything we do. We implement strict operational safety protocols, environmentally friendly cleaning products, and optimized water usage systems to protect both infrastructure and the environment. Our services support a wide range of sectors, including government infrastructure, port and maritime authorities, logistics companies, renewable energy operators, commercial real estate developers, and industrial facilities. At Sky Cleaner Services, our mission is to become Djibouti's leading drone-based exterior cleaning company, delivering innovative, reliable, and environmentally responsible solutions while truly cleaning to higher standards. Sky Cleaner Services, innovation in the sky, excellence on the ground.